Renewing your Minnesota EMT, AEMT, or Paramedic certification. To renew your Minnesota EMT, AEMT, or Paramedic certification, please log into the Minnesota eLicense portal. Locate the application for renewal by clicking on Applications and View My Applications. In this example, I am an EMT. I have an EMT renewal application available to me. I also have an upgrade application if I'm going to upgrade to an AEMT or paramedic level. For this purpose, we are demonstrating the renewal of an EMT. Click Apply now. The application will open. Please review all of the application instructions. Click Save and Continue. Review all of the demographic information and ensure that you have checked the certification level in which you are applying for, included your full first, middle, and last name. Your social security number and date of birth are accurate. The public address, which is your designated address, is accurate along with the postal code, city, state, county. You may disclose your gender if you would like and your race if you would like, and also include an email address and primary phone number. Click Save and Continue. Next, please review all of the information that the Emergency Medical Services Regulatory Board seeks regarding your legal status and answer the appropriate questions. Click Save and Continue. There are multiple ways for renewal in Minnesota. If you are a nationally registered EMT, AEMT, or paramedic and have completed your National Registry renewal application or intend to do so, you may renew by clicking on NREMT Renewal. You may also renew by completing an EMT 24-hour refresher course. If you have done so, please check EMT 24-hour refresher course. Please note, before clicking this option, you should check with your education program to verify that this is the type of course you have completed, as it is no longer the common course used for renewing your EMT or recertification. The other options you have are the NCCP renewal model, or continuing education or a medical director approved course. If you select either of these three options, which I'm going to select NCCP model, you will receive additional instructions for entering your continuing education topic hours. The NCCR portion is 20 hours and will be entered by and verified by your education program. The LCCR, Local Continued Competency Requirements, and individual competency requirements will be entered by you. This is considered supplemental training. For an EMT, the NCCR required hours are 1.5 hours for airway respiration and ventilation, 6 hours for cardiology, 1.5 hours for trauma, 6 hours for medical, 5 hours for operations. Again, the NCCR hours will be entered by your education program. You need to add the training for your local components and the individual components. Please select Add Training. Choose the name of the course that you wish to enter. For here, I'm going to use Hazardous Materials. I'm going to use today's date as having completed the course. You may put in the course location if this was approved by an education program, and you may also choose to upload a certificate if you have one available electronically. The topic you will choose is LCCR if this is a local component, and enter the number of hours your hazardous materials course is for. Click Save. You're going to continue this exact same process for the remainder of your LCCR and ICCR components. Please note on the application, your hours that have been completed are noted below, and they are also noted here. If you're choosing the continuing education method, you may click Add Training. Your topic is continuing education, and you will note the number of hours that are there. You also must include the course name and the date that the course was completed. When you have completed this portion, please click Save and Continue. You will not want to submit your application until you have entered all course information. Next, please verify your CPR information. Select the course that you completed, the date that the course was completed on, and the expiration date on your card. You may upload a copy of your CPR card if you have it electronically available. Click Save and Continue. Next, please date and sign your application. Click Submit. If there are any changes that need to be made to your application, it will not submit properly. Please wait until you see the saving option disappear. Your Continue Applications menu will now be available, and you can view a PDF of the application that you submitted. Your application status can always be checked by going to Continue and checking your status here. This completes renewing your EMT, AEMT, or paramedic application. AEMTs and paramedics, please note you have additional hourly requirements, but the process is the same in your application. Thank you.